Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syafiq bin Mat Zahir. Today I will explain about my simulation on amateur voltage current for a separately excited DC motor. From this simulation, I test how the motor react when the load torque suddenly change from 5 Nm to 10 Nm. So we can see that when the load increase, the motor speed will drop. And we take time to reach a new steady speed. Next, I test the motor performance at different load. We change the V in and see what happen. So I found that when the load increase, the motor speed decrease and the armature current increase. In conclusion, the motor respond well to load change, but performance depend on voltage, load and control system. Thank you.